making this video because a few days ago I customized a jacket and I didn't film the process and I instantly regret it. It took me like 5 hours to make. It was my first time painting and distressing clothes. So if you want to copy what I did with my shorts, feel free to do so. As you will see, I struggled a bit trying to figure out how to film myself. Anyways, here the step-by-step tutorial for customizing your shorts. First of all, I like to write down my ideas and draw the main pattern. This way I don't forget anything. You're gonna need acrylic paint. This time I used white, red, orange and yellow. You also want to get some paint pens to draw and write on your clothes. Sharpie markers are fine, but the color isn't as vibrant as when you use paint pens. You're obviously gonna need some brushes, an old notebook or a piece of cardboard to put underneath the fabric, a steak knife to cut some holes, and a piece of chalk. The first step is to draw a base for the pattern with white paint. This way, lighter colors as yellow will stand out a bit more. Sorry for the focus, I only noticed the pictures. After I did the base, dry it with a hairdryer so you don't have to wait for it to dry naturally. Then you can paint yellow flames. I try to stick to my drawing, but it's pretty hard to make fine lines with a square brush on denim or any clothes actually. The white base helps a lot too. Try not to put too much paint and make sure that it's completely dry before applying other colors. I use the yellow paint pen to outline the flame so it doesn't look messy. Normally you have to iron the clothes after using the paint pen, but it's way easier to just use a hairdryer. After that, you can repeat the process on the other pocket. Yeah, I had to charge my battery for a while, so it was already dark outside when I started to film again. Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these. My cat is very curious. Here I used a Sharpie marker to draw orange flames because I didn't have an orange paint pen. It came out better than the yellow ones, but the color is noticeably darker on the denim. As you can see, the process is pretty repetitive. You just have to make sure you don't forget to dry the paint after every layer. I messed the last flame on the left pocket, but it's not really a problem because I drew a red one on top of it later. Maybe try to get round brushes for stuff like that. I didn't have any, so I had to do it. Dry it once again and then draw the red flames. For these ones I filled them with a red paint pen first, but it's totally optional, and I painted over it with acrylic paint. I just wanted to have a base so the red doesn't come out darker. I absolutely forgot about the black flame, so you will see me draw them later and without focus once again. For the front part I didn't want to write a lot on the left side, so I just put 3 words on it which were made in flames. I first wrote it in white so I could have an idea of what it would look like, and then I applied the red paint. I tried to give it a sort of a hellish look with orange and yellow. So this is where we're gonna need the chalk. I marked a few places where I wanted to make the cuts. Be extremely cautious when you cut the denim, you could easily cut yourself, so just do a bunch of slow movements, you don't want to make a giant hole either. The paint came off a bit, so I had to apply more of it. On the right side I wanted to write a short text that I did on my jacket. I chose a biblical part from Apocalypse. It's pretty random, but it adds to the whole made in flames thing. I first applied a small amount of white paint so the black marker shows more. And then I just wrote the text. I tried to use the same font as for the left side.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my head from him, sit with me tonight. I run away.
So here you can see the result, and here is the part with black flames, and let's take a moment to appreciate the focus on the paint tube. I really have to pay more attention to this. So that's pretty much it. Those are very easy to make and you can wash your shorts after a few days, the paint won't come off. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe, who knows, it inspired you to customize your own denim shorts. If it did, let me know in the comments, subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. So see you next time, bye!